all I can say is that he's doing good and he's alive. And ayun, he's looking forward to the coming visits of the other family members, which will be his grandchildren. So, pag alis ni Kong Kulong ay dadating yung mga apo, and then sasamahan ko sila to teach them what to do inside, kung ano yung gusto ni PRRD. And then, when they're all settled, I can leave them here para sila na naman yung mag-take over with the visits.
Kailan po expected ang pag-uwi ni Kong Kulong?
I think, kailan ba ngayon? Within this or next week.
I see. So you'll be here to shepherd the grandchildren?
Yes, yes.
You will be the big ate?
Yes.
Kalusugan
Tita
naman.
ako, pero yung mga pamangkin ko, malalaki na.
Oo.
Malalaki na. And also si DM, si Vigo,
Vigo.
si Kong Omar, and yung isa, yung babae,
Then also
si Isabel.
Bidang.